Hi friends! Hi Grand Rising! How are you today?
Isn't it such a beautiful day?
Yes, are you guys ready for preschool? Yay! Alright, on the count of 3, we are going to sing our Grand Rising Preschool Friends song. Are you guys ready? Yes? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Grand Rising Preschool Friends, how are you? Good, good. Grand Rising Preschool Friends, how are you? Good, good. It is time to start our day. We are here to work and play. Grand Rising Preschool Friends, y'all loves you. Good, good. Yay! Awesome.
We have so many great things planned for today.
Are you guys ready to get started? Yes! Awesome! But first, I have to ask you a very, very important question. How are you feeling today? In this moment, right now? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling angry? Are you feeling mad? Well, let me think how I am feeling today on the inside. I'm going to try to do some deep breathing and I'm going to try to see what I am feeling on the inside.
While you're here with me.
Okay, let's try this out.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Okay. So, now that I think about it and I take a minute to be still to see how I'm feeling on the inside, I've been feeling kind of discouraged lately. Yeah, discouraged means when you kind of feel sad or you feel like giving up on something.
So there are lots of things in this life that are hard.
We can do hard things, especially and even more so with Yah's grace. But that doesn't mean that there won't be times where we want to give up.
Even if we don't.
So I have a special story about that here. It's called Don't Give Up. You guys want to read it together with me? Let's do this. This book is a story about Lisa. Lisa is right here. And again, it says, don't give up.
Let's start by blowing bubbles, Mrs. Smith said. Put your faces in the water.
Looks like Lisa's at a swimming class.
The water is too cold, Lisa said, and it smells weird. Watch me do it, said Mrs. Smith. Then you try, Lisa.
When Lisa tried, water went up her nose.
Help! She yelled.
When she got home, she said,
I'm done with swimming. The first lesson is always hardest, her mom said.
You have to learn, said my brother Stephen, or you will miss out on the fun this summer. Okay, Lisa said. I won't give up yet. Okay, she's thinking about it. At the next lesson, they tried kicking their legs.
I keep sinking, Lisa said.
Move your legs like scissors, said Mrs. Smith. Lisa started to make a splash. Still want to quit? Stephen teased her that night. No, she said. I'm not a quitter.
Today, we're going to push off the wall, said Mrs. Smith. Let's see what happens. What if I sink? Lisa asked. I will be right here, Mrs. Smith told her. Lisa didn't want to miss any summer fun, so she took a deep breath and pushed back. I did it! She yelled. That was great, said Mrs. Smith. Guess what, Stephen? Lisa said when she got home. I'll be swimming by summer. The end. Okay, so here is a picture of a boy. Looks like he's trying to tie his shoes. Maybe he's learning, and maybe it's something that's hard or he may feel like giving up on doing. So, I have a question for you. Has there been a time when you have tried to do something that was hard or difficult? If so, think about what you did to stop or to keep from giving up.
Friends, let's get ready to sing our Shalom Neighbor song. Can you come sing with me? Yes! On the count of 3, we will get started. 1, 2, 3. Shalom, neighbor, what do we say? It's going to be a beautiful day. So clap your hands and shake, shake, shake. Jump up and down and keep being great. Yay! You are amazing. Okay, guys? I want you all to enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you back here again later. Stay strong and be well. That was so fun. We will have to try this again. Join us next time on Harmony Playhouse. And don't forget to subscribe.